Elon Musk, the CEO and founder of Tesla, has recently released a revolutionary battery that will obliterate the whole electric vehicle (EV) market. What chemical supports the development of this new battery technology? What range does it offer and how does it look? How much will the cost of EVs drop, thanks to this crazy battery? And why is this new battery superior to all others in electric vehicles? Join me in this video today as we discuss how Elon Musk and Tesla's new battery will obliterate the whole electric vehicle (EV) sector. It is not surprising that there has been a recent global trend toward being green because weather patterns are being negatively impacted by climate change. And a lot of things are being impacted by this. EVs have significantly changed the way people travel on our roadways in an effort to meet the green objective. Here, Elon Musk is at the top of his game, thanks to his illustrious EV manufacturing business. Tesla, since we can remember, Elon Musk has been creating things. 2008 is not that far away. The company was established 10 years ago. And we might claim that the entire world is experiencing Tesla's influence. The meticulous, skilled, extraordinarily inventive, and imaginative work that goes into the EVs makes them nothing short of exquisite. You may almost believe that Elon Musk invented the electric vehicle, EV. Unfortunately, he wasn't the first person to learn that EVs existed. In reality, Robert Anderson, who created the first rudimentary EV in 1832, deserves praise for ushering in electric vehicles. Saying that Elon Musk is at the top of the EV manufacturing sector is quite an understatement to the drive and the force he injected into the industry. Since then, his progress has seen this broad use of EVs, with Elon Musk being the obvious topic. You see, Elon sold more than 936,000 electric vehicles to customers all over the world in just 2021. The numbers are impressive because Elon's EV sales have surpassed those of all other EVs put together and may perhaps be more than 1,000 times higher. The internet mogul is still working on making his car state-of-the-art, though. A Tesla car can be viewed as a combination of several parts that have been expertly combined to create a useful whole. Having said that, each element is dependent on others to varying degrees. But certain elements are more crucial than others. The automobile battery, however, is one part whose presence influences the lifespan of the complete vehicle. No automobile in the world, ordinary cars included, can run without a battery unless it was a miracle. If you've ever heard of a car that runs without a battery, even a conventional car, you can bet your bottom dollar that it doesn't exist. In addition, an automobile can function without some parts including chairs, car boots, and mirrors. An automobile without a battery, though, is useless. The vehicle's battery functions as its engine. It generates the alternating current that powers the entire battery and establishes how far an EV can go on its batteries. You will agree that Tesla cars, which employ the most widely used lithium-ion batteries and provide their vehicles a greater performance, can travel an astonishing distance of up to 500 miles. Although lithium-ion batteries are not just a Tesla thing, you might also be using one in your phone, laptop, or even car. If so, you already know how crucial and powerful these batteries are. In fact, they outperform conventional lead-acid batteries in the EV sector, which have significantly worse problems with durability and environmental contamination. Lithium-ion batteries aren't as great as they seem, though. Unless there is a better choice, at least. The drawbacks of these batteries have also prompted Elon Musk to explore for superior alternatives. You can see how the EV powerhouse's batteries appear to be the root of yet another serious issue impeding Tesla's pursuit of affordability. Since lithium-ion batteries are so expensive, let me be completely honest. The placement of the batteries on EV differs from those of our phones and laptops. In EVs, the battery configuration resembles that of a skateboard. The batteries are stacked in different volumes to cover a specific distance. As a result, the price of an EV is far greater than expected due to the number. In actuality, a Tesla battery costs about half as much as the vehicle. Sadly, the Elon Motors automobile manufacturer refuses to acknowledge this, claiming that their battery only costs roughly $7,000. The $35,000 sticker price of the Tesla automobile completes the narrative about the costly batteries. For a firm whose purpose is to make EVs more affordable, $35,000 is not a reasonable price. Due to the price of the batteries, many potential customers have refrained from purchasing a Tesla. The production of lithium-ion is a somewhat pricey process that begins with the mining of the rare metals cobalt, nickel, and manganese that go into the cathode of the battery. Once more, stacking the batteries can be used in the time-consuming and complicated EVS procedure. It is almost comical to learn that lithium-ion battery costs have dropped by 89% despite their present level. Tesla pricing haven't decreased significantly as a result of the drop. Tesla cars often weigh a lot because of these stacks of lithium-ion batteries, which adds additional issue to the weight of the battery. Tesla vehicles need a sizable stack to produce a respectable range because they must have higher mileage. As a result, the car's overall weight increases. The two battery ranges that Tesla automobiles typically have are 50 kilowatts and 75 kilowatts. Most EV owners don't like the fact that the batteries for these cars weigh an absurd 478 kilograms and 530 kilograms, respectively. Weight has a significant impact on shipping costs, which have increased to such unfavorable amounts that many consumers choose not to purchase an EV. The list of issues that these Tesla batteries have so far does not yet exist, and they are not positive. The problem with the battery will always exist once you own a Tesla. Elon Musk chose a new battery that will change things for the better because the tech mogul had the solution for a long time, he just needed to figure it out. The disadvantages of current batteries include their inability to maintain durability at specific temperatures and the presence of hazardous battery components. Sulfur was his extremely simple but ineffective answer. The element has a wide range of applications, even outside of the EV sector in fields like cosmetics. Fluor will therefore have a significant influence, and it is easy as opposed to the hard-to-find parts of lithium-ion batteries. In the environment, sulfur is fairly prevalent. It is the 10th most common element in the world, according to science. As a result, it will be simple to identify factors that will directly affect production costs. You are well aware that this results in a general decrease in all costs. This implies that the cost of Tesla vehicles may decrease by roughly 50%. And the entire auto business might not think this is a good thing. Tesla is developing a name for itself in terms of success, and everything about it, aside from the price, seems to draw in other onlookers. In spite of the high Tesla prices, they were nevertheless able to sell over 900,000 vehicles in a single year. Imagine what would occur if prices were cut by over 50%. The consequence will be a complete revolution in the EV and automotive industries, as people scramble to acquire reasonably priced Tesla vehicles. And unlike lithium-ion batteries, sulfur batteries have a different architecture. This indicates that they will significantly reduce the EV's overall weight when they arrive. In contrast to lithium-ion batteries, which are stacked in a rectangular array, the shape of sulfur-ion batteries is cylindrical. Due to its simplicity, this form is advantageous because it uses a smaller stack to get the same range. The best alternative for any client who has been desiring this so fervently is Tesla. Imagine a car that is both affordable and lightweight, and Tesla will be the talk of the whole auto manufacturing sector. Sulfur-ion batteries are still good, so we're not done yet. Without a doubt, lighter and more accessible solar power Tesla does not imply a reduction in power. You'll be astonished by the claims that these batteries will provide 6 times as much power and 5 times as much energy as lithium-ion batteries. According to Tesla, the range would be 16% greater than the previous battery but would be much less expensive. Additionally, this remarkable battery will be capable of doing things that have never been done by a battery since the creation of an EV. You will probably agree that no other EV in existence has ever traveled 900 kilometers without needing to be recharged. This will be the new normal for Tesla vehicles driven by sulfur ions. To put 900 kilometers in perspective, that would be the equivalent of driving continuously for 10 hours without stopping to refuel. Any discussion of charging makes me think of the 1 hour that every EV owner must endure to recharge their vehicles, which seems like an eternity. But since sulfur-ion batteries are known to charge from 10% to 80% in just 20 minutes, this won't be a problem any longer. Future improvements will allow us to reduce that time in half, as this is only the first manufacture of the battery. There is now one less reason to investigate the durability of sulfur batteries. After 80 cycles, typical lithium-ion batteries begin to deteriorate. The new game changer is sulfur-ion batteries, though. They can operate for up to 1,000 cycles before needing to be replaced. As a result, battery replacement will be less expensive overall, something lithium-ion batteries have never accomplished. You may be confident that Elon Musk has already wiped off the entire EV industry by looking at what he plans to do with sulfur-ion batteries. In the EV world, his cars already have a reputation. By making such significant advancements, the industry's sway over competing EVs will be reduced. Elon Musk will make other EV manufacturers obsolete in the EV manufacturing industry if they do not act quickly enough. Do you believe the entire industry will be wiped out by Elon Musk's new sulfur-ion battery? Comment below with your thoughts and let us know. Anyway, gentlemen, click the video directly above if you want to see more intriguing videos. I appreciate your attention. To ensure that you receive the most recent Elon Musk insiders, don't forget to subscribe with all alerts turned on.